Welcome to another Master Designs Final Battle recap. Tonight we're gonna draw Kid Fu from Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission. Remember that we are all familiar with that kid who looked exactly like Fu after the Saiyans managed to escape from Fu's universe. Basically, the first time I saw him, after Fu came back, he came out with this plan to escape from the battle against Super Saiyan 4 Vegito. His pet bird, the Bird of Catastrophe, otherwise known as Dogi Dogi, fused with him. And trust me, this guy, unlike the other gods and the other masters before him, he harnessed the power of the universe tree and became an unstoppable being. Now we draw the mark underneath his eye, otherwise known as his scar. I don't know if it is his scar. He took on this form after he was Dark Fu. Now we draw the rest of him. Here's his jacket. Just like the one he wears. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, what is Ankylosaurus?
Ankylosaurus is a genus of centrosauring ceratopsid dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period of what is now North America, about 74.2 million years ago.
Here's his sleeves.
The first fossils of Ankylosaurus were collected in Montana in 1987 by a team led by Jack Horner, with more finds made in 1989.
Here's the remote serious bomb, Mark. Alexa, stop. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's View's other hand. Here's his other ear. Get this. Here's one of Dogi Dogi's wings sticking out of his back. When I saw Fu look like this, I was all like, seriously? What are you? That sounded really scary. I mean, seriously. Look at this guy. A creature with only one wing? How impossible is that? I think I made the wing too big. Can you guys give me a minute? And there he is. That's how you draw Kid Fu from Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission. Get ready, viewers. There's going to be more like this on the way. I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.